Best Rotating Makeup Organizer Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular makeup organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this cosmetic holder so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Cosmetic 360-degree rotating makeup organizer. This makeup holder perfectly organizes and stores your cosmetics and accessories so that it's really easy to access all your makeup products. It's really easy to assemble and its height is adjustable so that you can put products of different heights according to your needs. It's also really easy to clean and maintain. This makeup organizer measures 15 inches high and has a diameter of over 10 inches, so it can hold most of your items like makeup brushes, skincare products, lipsticks and more. So now you can finally organize your vanity and say goodbye to a messy tabletop. To check out the full specs of the Cosmetic 360-degree rotating makeup organizer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestmakeuporganizer. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this makeup holder. So there you have it, the Cosmetic 360-degree rotating makeup organizer. Considering its ease of use, its overall functionality, and the quality of the material, we feel that this makeup holder is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Cosmetic 360-degree rotating makeup organizer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestmakeuporganizer. Alright, thank you for watching.